This video is a simple reminder to keep on fighting, even with the challenges in life. In life, many people face hardships and have less than what they need or desire. It can be a challenging and disheartening experience, but it's important to remember that it's not the end of the road. Instead, it's a starting point for a new journey, one that can lead to a better life. When one is faced with difficult times, it's easy to give up and lose hope. The first step in this journey is to believe in oneself. It's easy to feel down and defeated when life throws curveballs, but it's important to remember that these challenges can be overcome. By having faith in oneself and believing that things will get better, one can create a positive mindset and attract positive opportunities. The second step is to take action. This means taking steps towards achieving one's goals, no matter how small they may seem. The important thing is to take the first step, no matter how scary it may seem. With each step, one can gain momentum and move closer towards a better life. The third step is to stay focused and persevere. There will be setbacks and obstacles along the way, but it's important to keep the end goal in mind. By staying focused on the bigger picture and persevering through the tough times, one can overcome any challenge and achieve their dreams. It's also important to remember that wealth and success are not the only measures of a good life. Happiness and fulfillment can come from many sources, such as spending time with loved ones, pursuing a passion, or making a positive impact in one's community. By focusing on these things and finding joy in the present moment, one can create a fulfilling life regardless of their difficult situation. In conclusion, hardships can be a difficult experience, but it's important to remember that it's not the end of the road. By having a drive to learn and explore new things, believing in oneself, taking action, staying focused and persevering, one can create a better life. It's also important to remember that wealth and success are not the only measures of a good life, and that happiness and fulfillment can come from many sources. So if you're facing difficult challenges and feel like giving up, remember that a better life is possible, and it's up to you to make it happen.